Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're making a wonderfully refreshing variation on the whiskey sour, the Gold Rush. Now, whiskey sours typically don't specify the kind of whiskey to use. With the Gold Rush though, we want to use bourbon. And what better bourbon to use than Buffalo Trace? It's one of my favorite bourbons. It's great on its own and it's great in a cocktail. You can use any bourbon. Make sure to use a bourbon you like, but at the same time, don't use one that'll break the bank. We got a new bottle here, so let's crack her open. Oh, that's good stuff. One more. Yeah. Okay, so get our jigger. We're gonna do 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace bourbon. Right in the glass. Alright, next up, just like a whiskey sour, we gotta do some lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna do a 3/4 ounce pour. And lastly, the syrup. Now, I actually noticed I got the wrong bottle on the table here. Let's swap that out. We want honey syrup. I've mentioned this before, honey syrup is essentially just diluted honey. I'm doing 3 to 1, so 3 parts honey, 1 part water. And the idea here is just that if you use real honey, it's too stiff, it won't mix properly with the ingredients. So just by diluting it slightly, it's gonna blend better with the bourbon and the lemon. So that was a 3/4 ounce pour of our honey syrup. Next up, we're gonna grab some large ice cubes and give them a crack into our glass. I'm not looking to make crushed ice or too small of pieces. This is the way I like to serve my Gold Rush, with some large chunks of ice. But any ice you got will work fine. Alright, do your flippy moves, seal up your tin, and commence shaking. Now you want to shake this one good, but it doesn't have to be crazy. We didn't put egg white in this one, unlike a whiskey sour, so we don't need to shake for a super long time. 20-30 second shake will be plenty. We're going to slap to unseal. We're going to grab a rocks glass. And we're going to do an open pour. Open pour simply means we're not straining the ice. We're pouring everything directly into the glass. There we go. We got room. Add another ice cube in there. And we're going to garnish quite simply with a nice lemon wheel. And that's it. That's your Gold Rush. This is a very refreshing whiskey drink. It's a classic sweet and sour. You've got the freshness of the lemon juice, gives it a sour tartness, and you've got sweetness from the bourbon. Bourbon's made from corn, so it tends to be sweeter than other whiskeys. And of course the honey syrup, which gives it this really nice, almost floral note compared to simple syrup. And it's just a really refreshing drink. You know, we're still in summertime, so on a really hot day, I'll take this over an old-fashioned. If you like the recipe, guys, give this video a like, comment below, tell us what you like, tell us what you'd like to see in future videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, hit that bell and be notified. We will see you next time. Cheers.